Burundi, the heart of Africa. Welcome to World Knowledge. Today we're taking you on a journey through one of the most fascinating countries in the world, Burundi. Often called the heart of Africa, Burundi offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural depth that few have discovered. Join us as we explore this vibrant East African nation. Burundi gained its independence on July 1, 1962, after being under Belgian administration. The country has a rich history marked by periods of monarchy and significant ethnic tensions. Despite its challenges, Burundi has persevered, maintaining a unique cultural identity. The official languages of Burundi are Kirundi and French. A simple good morning in Kirundi is Mwaramutse. Burundi is renowned for its traditional drumming, a UNESCO-recognized cultural treasure. These performances are powerful displays of rhythm and heritage. While Burundi may not be widely known for international celebrities, it has produced many influential figures in politics and the arts. These individuals have contributed significantly to the nation's identity and progress. Their stories reflect the resilience and spirit of the Burundian people. Burundian cuisine is hearty and flavorful, featuring staples like ugali, beans, and fried fish. Local markets offer a variety of fresh produce and spices. Don't miss the opportunity to savor the authentic tastes of Burundi. Burundi is rich in natural resources, including arable land and minerals like gold and tantalum. Agriculture plays a vital role in the country's economy. The government is working to sustainably manage these resources for future generations. Burundi has participated in various peacekeeping missions and regional initiatives. It actively engages with neighboring countries to promote stability and cooperation. Despite its size, Burundi plays a significant role in East African affairs. Burundi's economy is primarily agricultural, with coffee and tea as major exports. The country faces economic challenges, but is striving for growth and development. Efforts are underway to diversify the economy and attract foreign investment. Explore the beautiful landscapes of the Burundian Highlands and tea plantations. Visit Lake Tanganyika, one of the oldest and deepest lakes in the world. Discover Bujumbura, the lively capital full of markets, music, and history. Visit sacred and historical sites, including Gishora Drum Sanctuary and the source of the Nile. These locations offer a glimpse into Burundi's rich cultural and historical heritage. Each site tells a unique story of the nation's past. Burundi is known for its unique traditions and customs. The country's vibrant festivals and ceremonies are a testament to its cultural richness. These celebrations offer an immersive experience into the heart of Burundian life. Join us on a journey through Burundi, a small but vibrant country in East Africa, filled with rolling hills, rich traditions, scenic lakes, and warm-hearted people. Though small in size, Burundi offers a heartfelt, authentic experience filled with resilience, heritage, and natural charm. Have you heard of Burundi, or would you like to explore it? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to explore more amazing countries.